The Kalstein YR05912-2 and YR05912-3. Industrial washing machines are designed for hospitals, hotels, and large industrial laundries that require efficient processing of high volumes of textiles. With load capacities of 130 and 150 kilograms, respectively, these models feature a robust stainless steel frame and a microcomputer controller with multiple wash programs. Their effective vibration damping system ensures stable operation, while high-speed extraction, up to 700 revolutions per minute, helps reduce residual moisture and improve overall productivity. Depending on operational requirements, heating can be supplied by electricity, steam, or hot water. A safety locking system keeps the door securely closed during operation, providing reliable protection for personnel.